Hello friends, today I show a project in Scratch. Scratch is one of the easiest language. We have used 1.4 version of Scratch in Ubuntu. Click on activity. In search bar, either type the Scratch or choose the cat icon. As we can see, that Scratch window is divided in several parts. Just like the first bar is the title bar which shows the complete file path of Scratch file. The default file name is scratch.image. Next is a menu bar. Then these are my control buttons which doing duplicate, delete, group or shrink the sprite. Sprite is a graphical character who do some action according to our script. That white area is known as working area of sprite, which is doing the action performance. These are the block area which shows the various blocks related to our script. That is a block plate which contain predefined scripts for our sprite. That is our script area where we have write down or choose the block plates of script. Today we are making a project of flying bird. For this, first of all we change the stage. Click on stage icon. Here we can see the 3 tabs of script, background and sound. Choose background tab. Use import. Nature. I choose desert. Click on OK. Now I want to change the sprite. Click on sprite. Again 3 tab. I use the costume tab. Click on import. Animal. I am choosing the parrot. Okay. Again import and choose the different posture of costume of parrot. Okay. Now delete the previous sprite. Now go to the block plate. Use first of all the control block and script tag. Use when flag click. When flag click means that is a flag button. When I click on flag button, the animation goes on, and I click on stop button, the animation goes stop. Again using in a control block the forever script. Forever that means a set of loop which is run till I could not press the stop button. In the same block I am using wait for 1 second. I do not want to wait the animation for 1 second. I replace it with 0.1 second. Press enter. Now go to the looks block and choose next costume. As you all remember, we are using the 2 costume of bird. Then go to the motion block. Use move 10 step. That means my bird is moving 10 step. Then in the same block use if and age bounds. That means when my costume or the sprite touches the boundary or a border of my background, it turns left to right. For this, use the control button, face left to right. Now click on flag button to check the animation. As we can see, it is touch the boundary, turn the face. Stop. I want to shrink the size of my sprite, so go to the control buttons and using the shrink button. The shrink button reduce the size of my sprite. Now play. Stop. I am able to change the position. Same way, I want to change the control. Instead of flag, go to control, remove that script. Use the next script when space. That means from the keyboard if I using a space bar or the available list of up and down arrow, etc. The by default is space. Now check the animation. So there is an animation of a bird moving left to right. Thank you.